Okay, plural definite articles. What are the plural definite articles? The plural definite articles are as follows. So for masculine plural nouns, il becomes I. Okay, il becomes I, or the letter I. For feminine plural nouns, la becomes le. Okay, la becomes le. Masculine plural nouns starting with S plus consonant, Z, GN, SC, PN, PS, or X, the lo becomes li. Okay, lo becomes li. So here are examples. Ci sono I treni. There are the trains. Okay, we're using I, or the letter I, in English, because treni is a masculine plural noun. Okay, I treni. Ci sono le macchine. Okay, now in the previous slide we had macchina, so this becomes plural. So a plural feminine noun takes le. Okay, and you can also see that the endings here match up. So I treni, le macchine. There are the cars. Ci sono gli studi and gli zaini. There are the studios or the backpacks. Okay, so again, the lo changes into li when they become plural. Okay, so gli studi, gli zaini. And remember, just a note here, c'è, there is, becomes ci sono, there are, when the following noun is plural. Okay, so that's why we used c'è on the previous slide, and now we have ci sono, there are. How many forms of definite articles are there? There are 4 singular forms and 3 plural forms, which make up 7 in total.